Hi Soulpreneurs, I'm Joy and I'm an online marketing and online course expert and the founder of Soul Guide Media. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to create a webinar inside of Soul Guide Media. So there are two types of webinars. There are a live webinar or a pre-recorded webinar. And in this video, I'm going to focus on how to create a pre-recorded webinar. So first you're going to log in and then you go to Sites. And then you go to Forms and then to Builder. And then you're going to create a new form. So we don't need a telephone number because we're going to send an email. So we're going to call this webinar form and delete this. And then you can also change the branding. So for example, your branding is more purple. Okay, and then sign up now. Okay. Perfect. So now we're going to webinars and then we're going to create a new webinar funnel. So here you see you have a webinar you have a live webinar and also an on-demand webinar, and this is a pre-recorded one. So we're going to continue. We just call it test webinar for now. Select a form and a video. So this is just a random video. Next, and we can also choose a template. I really like this one. So create. So here you see all the pages. So we can maybe open this one for now. And also this one. Okay. So this is the first page. So if people are signing up for the webinar, they need to land on the confirmation page. So, of course, you're also going to connect your domain name, but we didn't connect it yet. So we're just going to copy. Oh, it's this one. This is the confirmation page. We're going to copy this one. And then action button needs to be this website. Open new tab. Because if people are signing up for the webinar, they will land here. And this button needs to lead to the broadcast page. So go to page and then webinar broadcast. So we save this for now too. So what is also important is that all the buttons you see here, you're going to open up a pop-up. So we also need to edit that. So a column, going to add a form, webinar form. Maybe you want to add some extra text, headline, sign up for the webinar now. And you can customize everything. So I recommend to customize everything in your own branding and also to look at the mobile mode because this is the most important one. I think 90% will look only on mobile. So it's really important that you also take a look how it looks on mobile version. So yeah, this is how it looks. So if people are signing up, they will land here and then they can click to watch the webinar. And this is the broadcast page where you have your webinar. You also want to send an automatic email with this page as well. So we're going to copy this page. We go back and then we're going to create an automation. So we go to automation. And then create new workflow from scratch. We call it pre-recorded webinar. Form, submit it. Add filters, form is webinar form. Okay, save trigger. Then you maybe also want to add a tag. I didn't save any tag, so let's do that now, because I think that's really important to structure all your leads. So you go to settings, you go to tags, and then we will create a new tag. So pre-recorded webinar, okay. Then we go back to the automation. Okay, form submitted. Form is webinar form. Okay. We're going to add a tag, because in your CRM system, you also want to structure all your leads. You want to see where your leads come from. So that's why it's really important to add tags to your contacts. Save action, and then we are going to save to send an email. Send email. Enjoy Soga Media. Info ads. Here is your webinar. Hi. So we also have custom values. So we're going to add the first name to make it more personal. Click here to watch the webinar. And then we're going to make this link clickable. URL. New window. Enjoy. So this is how you create a pre-recorded webinar, and in the next video I will tell you how to create a live webinar. So good luck, and I see you in the next video.